Okay, so we are getting ready to dive into actually creating our first artwork. You guys have some amazing topics picked out, and I am excited to see which direction you end up taking those and what artworks you create. So, we are ready to get started with that process. So, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to complete some preliminary work. And right here, what you're going to do is tell me what your topic is, whatever you decided to do. So mine might be abandoned spaces. But then, what are the questions that I'm diving into with this? What am I trying to show people? What is my inquiry for this? So, mine would be, why is the space abandoned? Why did the people leave? Who used to live here? How does empty spaces make people feel? Things like that. Some questions that go along with your topic. Then I'm going to describe what I'm actually planning on painting, drawing, photographing, and then what questions are you investigating directly in this work. So if you have a broad topic, which one are you exploring right here, right now? Are you working representational or non representational, and why? What materials, techniques, and media are you using? What are your goals? What do you hope to accomplish with this? Then you're going to go ahead and do two sketches and make sure you do two very different approaches. Sometimes people do this and they do one sketch with a tree in the middle and one sketch with a tree to the left. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about one with a tree and one with a mountain. Two very different approaches that will still reach all the same goals, still answer this same question, but they need to be very different approaches. Then you'll insert those two images right there. And that is due the 16th at 3 p.m. So you've got a couple of days and the weekend to sort of decide what you want to do for your first project. Then you'll spend the next couple of weeks working on this. While you're working on this, you're actually going to turn in 3 pictures of you working on this project. Now you can take the pictures, or you can get someone to take them for you if you want, if that works better for you. Um, and then okay, I don't really know what happened, but my internet just kind of quit working and it quit recording. I don't know. So these would be pictures of you working. You can take them, somebody else take them, turn them in here. Then on the 30th, you will actually turn in your work of art. You'll turn in one picture, big, nice, finished product where I can see it really good. And then you'll turn in another image that shows off a detailed part of your picture. Maybe you show off a technique or skill that you use. Maybe you want to highlight a certain texture. Maybe you just find that part of the painting really interesting and you don't want anyone to miss that. And then that's it. Here's the rubric that comes right off of the AP website that you guys also have access to, that I'll use to score your first work of art. And then we'll also have some post reflection questions. So can't wait to see what you first create.